So here I actually took out all the cabinets and started to sand the entire vanity. I didn't do it that good. I didn't really do a good job, but it still came out good. You'll see at the end the vanity came out beautiful, and yeah, it didn't really matter to me of how much sanding I did, and because I didn't have a lot of sanding papers, so yeah. So on this part I couldn't really get into the cracks, so I had to like sand it by hand. So I tried my best, but I didn't record that part, sorry.
Cómo se hace para que la siguiente vez hagas otra pinche cagada. Ya sabes cómo hacerlo.
So I actually ended up getting tired to use spray paint, so I actually switched to paint, and I was actually using the wrong rolling brush for the vanity, and all the strokes I made was looking ugly. I didn't like how it was, so I didn't know how to fix it, so I called my boyfriend's dad to come and help, and he did. He actually brought the correct rolling brush, and he fixed the vanity for me. And right here in this clip, he's actually showing me how to paint, and he was actually upset also because he was like, oh, if you're gonna do something, like at least know how to do it or search it up before you do it, you know. I don't know, but yeah, he was like, oh, if you don't know how to do it, then don't do it. So yeah. Oh, and I actually forgot primer as well. That's why he was mad as well. Right here I'm just covering up the previous holes that were there from the old knobs, and I drilled in a new hole in the middle, just so I can place the new knobs that I got from Walmart. After sanding all the drawers, I ended up painting it. I had to do 3 coats because I didn't sand it right, because the sander wasn't really working anymore, so I had to do 3 coats of that to cover up any imperfection. And I forgot to record that as well when I was inserting the new knobs. I forgot to record that as well. I'm so sorry. So this is the vanity. It came out really nice. I liked it. I did a little touch-ups to it, like adding marble paper on top of the vanity. I added a big mirror to it, and I added vanity lights, and it just made everything stand out more. And I honestly think everything just came out really nice, and this is exactly what I wanted. I would have wasted like 800 bucks buying it new or something, but hey, I didn't waste a lot of money, and you guys will see how much I wasted at the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys liked it.